Let's look at number 1 together. Complete the number sentence. Estimate to portion each strip equally. Write the unit fraction inside each unit and shade the answer. The sample is done for you. This is broken into thirds. The unit fraction, 1/3, is written in each box. The shaded part is then written in fraction form. Let's try the next one together. 3/4. We need to split our strip into 4 equal pieces. In each part, I will write the unit fraction, 1/4, in each part. We now need to shade 3/4. 1, 2, 3, and write the fraction form of the shaded part, 3/4. Let's look at the next one, 3/7. We need to portion our strip into 7 equal pieces. I need to write the unit fraction in each piece, 1/7. We're shading 3 out of the 7 pieces. And then we need to write in fraction form what's shaded, 3/7. Finish the rest of number 1 on your own. Number 2, Mr. Stevens bought 8 liters of soda for a party. His guest drank 1 liter. What fraction of the soda did his guest drink? What fraction of the soda was left? Let's underline our important information. Mr. Stevens bought 8 liters of soda for a party. His guest drank 1 liter. What fraction of the soda did his guest drink? What fraction of the soda was left? Create a fraction strip to solve this problem. If you're not ready for number 3, pause the video. Number 3, you're going to look at each shape and answer the questions above. The sample is done for you. We can see in this circle that I have 4 equal parts. 3 parts were shaded. Our unit fraction is 1/4. Each part is 1/4. Our fraction shaded is 3 out of the 4, 3/4. Let's look at the next one together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. There are 9 equal parts. 5 parts are shaded. Our unit fraction is 1/9. Our fraction shaded is 5/9. Stop the video now and finish this chart on your own.